This is my first attempt at an unboxing that I see all over the internet, especially on YouTube. So I thought I would unbox some of the things that I got recently, Black Friday, and I went out and got a Zoom H1 stereo field recorder, and I got the H1 accessory packet, mostly for the windscreen on it, but you know, the case I think would be pretty nice too. So let's start with the recorder. After quite a bit of research online, I figured that this would be the one that I wanted. I've seen a lot of people use this one to replace the audio on their digital SLR cameras that do HD video. So, and that's what I want it for, is to replace. I don't have a digital SLR, but I want it to replace the audio on my video camera, so I have more control over it. So here goes. Okay. So open the package here. Comes out. See, the first thing I see is, of course, it's got a packet of papers and stuff like that, and it comes with a 2 GB micro SD card and an adapter. Okay, and then here's how it's packaged, and it comes with a battery too. It only uses one AA battery. That's one of the things I like about it. And there it is, all packaged up. That's pretty much everything in the package. These 3 things right here. So I'll get to that soon. Move that out of the way. Now for the accessories package. This says it comes with a tripod, a case, windscreen, mic clip adapter, AC adapter, and USB cable. Okay, so I'll open this up. And there's a box within a box. Let's see. Here's the case for it. It's pretty stiff. It seems like a pretty nice case. Typical USB cable. The windscreen, that's what I really wanted. The microphone stand adapter, I guess. Now this actually might come in handy on my video camera as a handle. So, nice little extra when I wanted. Small tripod. You can usually buy these for like $5 or $6 at a store, but as I said, I wanted it mostly for the windscreen. And the AC adapter, which to me looks like an AC adapter with USB, so I guess you plug the USB cable in and run it off of that. Okay, that's pretty much the unboxing. I guess I could add on to this an audio test of the microphone and the sound difference I get between my camera sound and this thing. I'll just have to set it up and play with it a little bit, but that's the unboxing. Alright, I've got this thing set up. A couple of things I noticed and other people have noticed is the micro SD card goes right in here, but it felt really fragile. I was afraid I was going to break it off, so I had to be very careful pulling this little piece off here. It's just kind of stuck on with a little tag here. See? And a micro SD card goes right in there. So I'm about to actually do my first recording with it to do a comparison between the video camera and this. I set it to 96 kilohertz 24-bit wave recording, which is the best it can do. I did turn on the low cut, and I did turn on the auto level. We'll see how that works. I noticed that anytime you touch it, the meters go up, so I guess there's a lot of handling noise involved, but I was expecting that, so I plan on building a shock mount for it. So, alright, so here we go. It is recording, so I'm going to set it right there. And so I guess I'll have to do this in my video editing software. So right now I'm recording both. You're hearing the video camera's internal microphone. That's what you've been hearing the whole time. And oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to clap. You know, like, as I say, clap so I can sync up the audio for this. So I guess I'll say that you listening to it now, the Zoom, and I'll have to see how this recording goes. Then I'm probably not going to add it onto this, but I did buy it for acoustic guitar recording as well. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll have some of that on here. Okay.